How to find SWIFT code of BNP Paribas. BNP Paribas is a leading multinational financial services company based in Paris, offering banking, investment, asset management, and insurance services across 65+ countries. First, you have to go to Play Store or App Store to download this application called SWIFT Codes BIC. After opening, on homepage click on Select Country option. Then select your country from the list. Then click OK. Then click on Go. Then on search box search BNP Paribas. Then you will get all the BNP Paribas branch SWIFT codes in your country. That's it. Thanks for watching.